This video series is brought to you by the Butler Area Public Library Professional Resource Center, which is supported by funding from the American Library Association, the Public Library Association, and in partnership with Grow with Google. In this video, we will introduce the Google Sheets app. You can use Sheets with a free Google account. If you use Gmail as your email, that is your Google account. If you have an Android phone, you may also already have a Google account set up. To get started using Sheets on a computer, you can go right to the website sheets.google.com. Or from Google, in the upper right-hand corner, click the Google Apps grid icon and click Sheets. Google Sheets works just like Microsoft Excel and is used to create spreadsheets for data. You can create a new blank spreadsheet by clicking blank. Start with one of their pre-designed templates in the template gallery, where you can see examples like budgets and calendars and schedules. Or you can upload a pre-existing Excel file. Just like in Microsoft Excel, you can do a variety of functions and edits to your spreadsheets. Here we have an example where we are tracking items purchased and the price paid for them on certain dates. We can change the look of our spreadsheet by highlighting cells. Here I'm going to click bold to make our headings stand out more. I can also change the layout and format of our text by highlighting it, clicking format, and since this data are currency, they are monetary values, I'm going to click format, number, and go to currency. You can also change the way that your date is displayed. And in Sheets, I can also do a number of mathematical functions, just like I would in Microsoft Excel. If I want to display the total number of items purchased in the second column and the price paid for them in the third, I can do that. For example, if I click here and click on the functions and choose sum, which is how I add, I can highlight my different total items purchased and hit enter, and I get a total of 429. The same with the price paid for those items. If I do a sum of my 5 cells and hit enter, I now know that those were paid for $1,875.25. I can also add some color by highlighting and adding color to my text if I really want to draw attention to that. Sheets automatically saves your work, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your progress on your document because you accidentally forgot to hit save. Here we can see it says last edit was seconds ago. When you are ready to print or share your finished document, you can send it directly to the printer by hitting the print icon, or download it by clicking File and going to Download, where you can save the file as a Microsoft Excel compatible file, as a PDF, or as by a comma separated value file, which can be opened by other spreadsheet software.